Hello everyone, welcome back to Channel Vacationist. Thanks a lot for an amazing response. There was a lot of feedback also, positive feedback, negative feedback, things that I can improve on. But out of all of that I received, two things that I realized were the most important for me to be able to make good videos in the future. Right? The first and the most important thing that was told to me by everyone, literally everybody gave me this feedback, that I should have juice with me in the car at all times. So I've bought juice and it will be there, don't worry. So as I said, first thing that is very, very important is juice. I have to have it in my car at all times. Now the second thing that is very important, I realized it while I was doing the vlog last time. If you remember, I had said this also in a vlog at one point that off-roading is a bit of a problem. So I have now made an investment to solve that problem, to make sure that I'm able to go places, I'm able to go anywhere and everywhere possible. And what is that thing? It is amazing, I love it, and I'm going to show you. That we are going to today. We are going to a beautiful place called Dhaba Dhabi Falls. It is a waterfall 160 kilometers from Hyderabad. Very nice drive, a 3-hour long drive, and it's supposed to be a very beautiful place, very scenic. But at the same time, there's no history about it. I've tried to find out more about it on the internet so I can tell you a little bit of history from about the place, but I haven't found much. There is a Siddheshwar temple which you have to go under the waterfall apparently to get to there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Let's see how the place is. I'm sure it's very beautiful. The pictures were amazing online, and the drive itself so far has been very good. And yes, we have stopped for dosa, and I don't think we shot that. But yes, we had dosa right now, and juice is missing.
Again.
I forgot to get it, even though I told in the previous clip that I bought juice. I did buy juice yesterday, but I just forgot to get it along with us. So yeah, that's what's happening. We are going towards, I think we are still 1 hour 48 minutes away from the place. We will get there soon. We'll keep showing you the scenic views on the way also, because the journey to the falls also is supposed to be very beautiful. So we'll show you as much as we can. We'll share as much as we can with you guys. And yes, I'll see you in a bit. We are basically just approaching the Dhaba Dhabi waterfalls. The road is very small. There were cute little row houses behind, and I don't think we have recorded it. We'll record it on the way back. But yes, it's about a minute away, it says. I don't know, I cannot see it though. But I am sure it is nearby and it is going to be very, very good.
And we kept looking and looking, no sign of the waterfall, but then something magical happened. Well, the waterfall was beautiful and I wanted to get a closer look of it. So, what did you do?
Well, I asked people around how to get there and they did show us the directions. So, after a few hairpin turns and beautiful scenic views later, we finally managed to get there. How was it?
It was scary, obviously. You didn't feel like?
I didn't feel scared. There were some monkeys though.
But definitely it was worth it.
Basically, we have parked the car, we have found a walking path towards the fountain. So we are planning to go there. I don't know how far it is, but as you can see, we are walking on this path. Let's hope it takes us to the bottom of the fountain. If we do, you're gonna get some amazing video. As you can see, the waterfall is right behind me. It's very beautiful. The weather is nice here. थोड़ा गर्म हो गया है बीच में, but otherwise it's very nice. There's a cool breeze. The sceneries are very good. It's a place worth coming. All in all, there is a bit of a walk, a bit of trekking for somebody who barely gets off bed. So I'm a little exhausted, panting, catching my breath. But it is very nice. It is worth. Like I said, there was a small stream also a little ahead of us. The waterfall is even bigger. If I go nearby, I can get a better picture though. But I think it's a little difficult trek to go ahead. Since my wife is not prepared for a trek, we're going to stop it here. But as I said, it is a beautiful place. A lot of greenery. Not only the waterfall. From up there, we have taken a video of the scenic view around. Everything is very beautiful here. It is not. Even you will not believe you're just like 3 hours away from Hyderabad. It's that beautiful. I loved it. And I think every one of you should come here, visit this place at least once. And on our way back, we found Sophia's friends. Did you like them?
Well, definitely not my friends though. Look at the way they are staring.
This was followed by a lot of prayers, and then we finally dared to go towards them and they moved away.
Yeah, because you forced me to.
Okay, so that was the Dhawa Dhabi waterfall. As you can see, it was very beautiful. The place was very nice. The weather is also amazing. From the place where we returned from, we thought it's very risky to go ahead because the waterfall was ahead and we had all our equipment, the cameras and everything, and it was not safe for us to go there. But while we were returning, we saw so many women in saris and burkhas, small kids going towards that side, which means there is a pathway there. But again, because there was a lot of water, we decided not to go ahead. We are going back. There's a long pathway back. As I told you, it's a beautiful place. You can just see in the background. It's very beautiful and you should definitely come here. I don't know, for some reason Sophia has been docking the camera the whole day. Let's ask her why is she docking the camera. Why are you docking the camera?
I know, I'm camera shy.
You are camera shy?
Because I prefer working behind the lens.
So she basically is saying that she prefers working behind the lens. So how are you going to work behind the lens?
I'll be handling the Instagram account. So everyone please follow the Instagram account because I don't want to be in front of the camera.
So she says she doesn't want to be in front of the camera. She's told me this before. So that's why I just wanted to bring it up to you guys.
I'm too cool
saying she's too cool for it. I'm not, I agree. But we have come up with another way that she can be connected with the videos also, which we will tell you in the future. Or probably in this video also you can figure it out. As you can see, I'm panting, I'm out of breath.
But my Instagram page will be better than your YouTube channel. I'm sure.
That's the challenge, guys. She's giving me a challenge. I'm not even going to accept it because, you know, you don't race a Ferrari with a Maruti 800.
You are Maruti.
So that was the second vlog. I hope you guys liked it, and I've realized something and I would like to bring it to your attention also. This is the second vlog. We are at the end of the video and I have not formally introduced myself to you guys. So I am Samad Khan, a professional engineer, a network engineer by profession, and I am in the process of becoming a YouTuber. Now that brings me to the question that the video is based on how to be a YouTuber. So I would like to give you the thought process that I started with. I am not making these videos or the vlogs that I am making because I think people will like it. I am making them because I like them. I like traveling, I like road trips, I like everything that I do on this channel. And that is the only suggestion that I can give you guys. Anybody who wants to become a YouTuber, or for that matter, do anything in life, you need to do what you like, not what you think will work. Because what you think will work might not work for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button, share it with as many people as you can, right? And do comment below telling us what you like, what you did not like, what you want us to improve. If there are ideas that you have for us to implement in the videos in the future, do share that in the comment, because that will help us make better content, right? And also make sure you subscribe, click the bell icon so you're notified every time we put out a new video, right? Like I said, your support is very important in order for this channel to grow. Thank you. I'll see you in the next vlog.